The Realme C35 smartphone was released on February 10, 2022. The phone has a 6.6-inch display with a 1080 by 2408 pixel resolution. It has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be upgraded using a dedicated microSD card slot, up to 1024 GB. The Realme C35 is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and runs Android 11. The Realme C35 is compatible with Realme's unique quick charging technology. This phone equipped with a triple rear camera setup. The main camera is 16 megapixels primary sensor, 5 megapixels sensor, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. It includes a single front camera with an 8 megapixel sensor for selfies. Realme C35 is a dual SIM smartphone. It was released in 2 colors, black and green. This phone also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. How do you feel about this phone? Leave comment below. And also, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.